everybody, welcome back to the channel. And it's the first part of April, and we are recovering from some tornadoes, some flooding rains, some high winds, some well, let's put it this way, a week full of rain. I hope you guys are all okay out there, and I hope you didn't get affected by any of those. We are okay here. Anyways, we are working on a new build, and this new build is drag related. It is a 1/7 scale Hobao VTE 2.0 build. Right off the bat, you got a Delta Plastics body. Okay, you guys know where to get those. Underneath the hood, we have a TSG chassis. Amazing work. They do absolutely amazing work. You can go to TSG Carbon Fiber Works, TSGcarbonworks.com, click on shop, and you'll be able to find whatever you're looking for over here on the side. In this case, it's the Hobao Raptor. Chassis is, guys, we cut carbon fiber, we have for a long time, and I don't really do it much anymore, except for our own personal stuff. But in this case, I went to the best. TSG Carbon Works, Tommy over there, amazing products, guys. I've put together a lot of cars over the years, and I had every part, every piece, everything was cut perfect, nice and smooth, no cuts, no lips, no edges, no nothing on the carbon fiber. Super nice chassis. Chassis includes the wheelie bar, the front splitter, and the battery trays, which the battery trays do come off. The power plant is Castle. This is not, I know it says XLX2 on there, but it is not an XLX2. This is a prototype drag ESC, which has not been released yet. But you can go to castlecreations.com and search for new products, and you will find the Ghost and everything else here. Okay, if you're interested in it, this has extreme tuning capability for drag racing. Comes with 6-gauge wire, and in this case we're running a Castle censored motor on here. Okay, battery connectors, these are new, different. smcracing.com, you get those in the batteries there. Okay, we got a Reefs RC servo up in the front. It is a shorter servo, and that's why I went with it. And we are running a Perfect Pass Gyro on here. This is the first gyro I've ever run on anything in my whole life, so I'm excited to try that. We're running a Futaba 10PX radio, and we have some titanium drive shafts here from Island Hobby Nut, titanium spool, titanium rear drive shafts here, factory Hobao heavy duty shafts for the front end, Hobao upgraded aluminum diff housings front and rear. Okay, and a very cleanly put together, nicely laid wires car. We have Perfect Pass new lightweight gears, and the difference between a Perfect Pass gears, you see it's got holes in it. It's lighter. It's also thinner, which is very nice. It's got one 2 screws on there. So very, very nice gearing. Also available online at Perfect Pass. I think it's Perfect Pass RC, perfectpassrc.com. And then the Ghost will be available on ghost-rc.com when it comes out. Anyways, this is a very beautiful build. Super, super nice. A gentleman that's been in the drag racing 7th scale field for a while helped me, kind of gave me a starting point of how to set the car up. And I've got a gearing setup that I've got in mind. I've got a tune in mind that we're gonna be running for this thing. And guys, pardon the noise in the back. Austin's got we got 2 bamboo printers going 24/7 back there for the last several weeks. He's been working on projects for a hospital, so pardon that noise. Anyways, guys, I can't say enough about this build. This is not cheap to build this build, which I didn't expect it to be. But the only thing I will say that I have changed about the car since we initially started it was I didn't like what I call the axle wrap. I'm going to hold the front of the car. I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm barely putting any pressure on these, and they wrap, which means that lower A-arm is flexing. So you got 2 choices. Buy an aluminum A-arm, which I don't really care for, because what's going to happen when you accelerate that hard and that fast, this is all going to flex forward, okay? Or you go with like a floating body mount like this says here. When that body post is sitting up there in the body, it's going to stop the whole thing from flexing this way and this way, or this in any direction, excuse me, forward, backwards, left, or right. It's not going to allow that car to move at all. This is our prototype. It is made out of carbon fiber and ABS material, so it's gonna be changed a little bit. We are setting a set to a known drag racer to test and ask him for his honest and open feedback, so we'll see how that goes. And other than that, love the build, absolutely love it. Back to TSG Carbon Works. You can also get spare parts for any of the parts you need. And trying to find that kit. So here's the Hobao Raptor kit right here. It is $350. If it shows out of stock and you guys want one, you can always go on Facebook and look up TSG Carbon Works, and Tommy will more than likely be able to tell you when it's going to be in stock or be able to help you out. You know, don't be bugging him on the weekend, but you know, Monday through Friday, hit him up during the week, see if he can help you out and get you one built. They do have one, the same chassis, it's called the Blackhawk, excuse me, for the Limitless, and I believe it is the same price. Here it is. It is no, that's the Hobao. Anyways, Austin and Mason are both running the Limitless this year, and I'm going to run the Hobao. Why the difference? Because honestly, I had the car. I started speed running this car. I don't really care for Hobao for speed runs. I like the Limitlesses a lot better for speed running. But a good friend of mine, like I said, that drag races a lot, recommended this platform. I think it's a little lighter. I think it's a little stronger unit, and it's got the factory diffs on it. Everything is tuned and set up for this ride. Now these are just temporary tires that I have on here. BSR's been really good to me over the years, so I will give them a shout out. We'll be running BSR tires on here 100% for sure. But other than that, really love the car. Excited to drive it. But the only thing we got left to put on there is this race box micro. Again, if you guys need anything, it's at tsgcarbonworks.com. You got Perfect Pass stuff on here, Castle Creations, Ghost. I appreciate that. Reefs, I bought one of their servos, don't have anything tied to them, and I will tell you, none of these individuals or companies have asked me to give them a shout out. I'm doing this on our own behalf. So I appreciate you guys watching. We'll get some video of this thing testing and set up some tuning on it. But again, thanks Danny at SMC, thanks Thomas at Castle, Raz at Perfect Pass for taking care of us, and Tommy at TSG for hooking us up and making an amazing product. Thanks for watching, guys.